So I just found something to add to the collection. Bada bang, bada boom. If these were cheaper, I'd grab them one right now, but I've been looking for this. I've been wanting this. This will be next. So, here it is. 5-pack bit holder with carabiner. Fits all quarter hex shanks. Super excited to add this to the collection. I've been wanting one. I've seen lots of brands having them. Sorry for the mess I got going on in here. But I'm super pumped that I waited. This is what it's going on. Ooh, that's heavy duty, boy. That is heavy duty. You can feel it, you can hear it. I'm ecstatic with this. I'm ecstatic. Because this is the number one I go to the most. Boom. Oh, she's in there. Yeah, buddy. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah. What's next? We gotta hide it because it's a DeWalt. So we'll just put the Phillips in here. Ooh, what? I'm gonna have to find a new Phillips for that. But yeah, she's going. Should we put the big old baby on there? Also full Milwaukee's. Milwaukee on Milwaukee. Look at that. That ain't too shabby actually. That's very nice. That's very, very nice. I'm digging it. Mind you, yes, this is how trash piles up in a work truck. But we still bougie. Look at that. Look at all that Milwaukee right there, boy. Milwaukee sheep gloves, Milwaukee knee pads, Milwaukee bit holder with carabiner, and then our hydro flask. Let's go. Let's go get this job done. That's the dream right there. Instead of cruising around in this, cruising around in something like that.